This solar pool ionizer from Ethereal is a perfect accessory for reducing algae and chlorine usage in your pool. It's got a copper anode, a stainless steel spring, and all the components are made from high quality materials. Assembling the ionizer is simple. Start with the copper rod, then the spring, then place the protective basket over everything. Make sure you screw the basket down nice and tight so nothing comes loose. This ionizer is virtually maintenance free and can reduce chlorine content by up to 85%. It also removes algae in both fresh and saltwater pools. It's advised to check on your ionizer once a month to make sure there's no chlorine buildup on the anode. A wire brush will be included with your ionizer for easy cleaning and maintenance. You'll also receive a bottle of pH test strips. These are great for maintaining your water's pH levels. Simply dip them in the water, wait the required time, and check the color against the bottle. Once you know your pool's pH, you can adjust it accordingly.